Hello, my name is Dermot Callahan of RENZ UK. I am the bindery sales manager. I'd like to introduce you to the Renz Mobi 500, our wire binding machine which can do bookwork and calendar work. This machine is capable of doing bookwork and calendar work up to a maximum of 500mm working width. The make ready on it is between 2 minutes and 6 minutes, and it can bind up to a maximum thickness of about 25mm. At the moment, the machine is set up for A4 3:1 34 loop wire binding. We take our product pre-punched, hook it onto the wire, hit the foot pedal, and the book is bound and delivered. And all we're doing is continuing binding by picking up our work. I am now going to set the machine up for calendar work with automatic insertion of the calendar hanger. I'm now going to change from A4 34 loop 3:1 to calendar work using the same size wire. Everything on the make ready is done through the touch screen, so I'll show you how simple it is. So we're going to feed the first amount of wire, which is 10 loops. We enter 10 loops. We need to miss 3 loops for the hanger, and then we enter again for 10 loops. Our binding width is 210, so I enter 210, and we need to feed the calendar hanger. The machine will now automatically reset itself for calendar work. You just continue feeding. The hangers are automatically inserted and the books are automatically closed.